Good morning guys. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a really super simple cashew nut milk. Now cashew nut milk is something that I use often because it's a really versatile nut and it's really creamy in flavour. Sure, an almond milk is obviously better for you nutritionally, or you could use a hemp milk if you wanted to. I find that cashew nut milk, I often will blend it with something else, so I'll do it with some hemp seeds, or I'll do it with some pumpkin seeds, or almonds, or macadamia is fantastic as well. Cashew is great because it gives you a really creamy nut milk. It also breaks up really fine, so you don't have to sieve it through a nut bag afterwards, because if I have to do that, then it's not going to happen. So I've simply, super simple, I'm going to show you how to do this. Whack it all in the blender, blitz it up, and you've got nut milk. So I've got some cashew nuts here. I use about a cup's worth. You definitely can soak your cashew nuts first. It is better to do so, obviously, to break down that phytic acid in there, which makes them more easily absorbable, the nutrients. I'm just whacking it in there today because I'm making it super simple and fast, because I've just woken up from a sleep in. I have got some vanilla powder. So this is a good quality vanilla powder. There's no nasties in here, there's no glucose. This is just vanilla beans ground down into a fine powder. You don't need to use this, but this will just add a little bit of sweetness to your nut milk as well, and a beautiful vanilla flavour. What I then put in is I use a sunflower lecithin, and a sunflower lecithin acts as an emulsifier, which means that, you know, when you make a hot drink or with your nut milk and it splits or goes curdle, like it curdles in your milk. Now it won't happen if you use a sunflower lecithin. Sunflower lecithin is different to soy lecithin. Sunflower lecithin is also fantastic for cognitive function as well. So I'll whack a little bit of this in there. It will emulsify the milk. It means it won't split when it's sitting in the fridge either. So let me just get some of this in there, if I can get that. There we go. So some sunflower lecithin in there. I'm then going to put my water in. I do use a filtered water, so I'm pouring in a litre of water. This is my new blender, so I'm still learning how to use this. It's a little bit childproof. There we go. Oh, hang on. There we go. Like so. Clip that in, and now I'm just going to turn it on and let that emulsify. Okay. I'm going to do that for 45 seconds on high and go. Okay, so that's finished. Now let's get this off. So this this blender's actually got like a vacuum seal, so I'm gonna get it off. Okay, so I've got a beautiful creamy nut milk in here. I'm simply just gonna pour this straight into the bottle like this and pop this into the fridge. Now this will store in the fridge for around 4 days. There you go, that makes that perfect amount. There we go. So that'll store in the fridge for about 4 days. And then you've got beautiful nut milk. Again, whack in some macadamia if you choose to. You can put dates in there if you want to. You can put some cacao in there and make a chocolate flavoured milk as well. The choice is yours. Super simple, easy to do. Let me know how you go, guys.